Learning English is simple. Repeat every phrase with me 3 times. Practice for just 10 minutes a day and watch your English grow fast. Let's go. Where is the shopping cart? Where is the shopping cart? Where is the shopping cart? I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. Where is the dairy section? Where is the dairy section? Where is the dairy section? I'm looking for fresh bread. I'm looking for fresh bread. I'm looking for fresh bread. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Is there a discount on this item? Do you have organic products? Do you have organic products? Do you have organic products? Where can I find bottled water? Where can I find bottled water? Where can I find bottled water? Excuse me, where is the cashier? Excuse me, where is the cashier? Excuse me, where is the cashier? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Is there a self-checkout? Is there a self-checkout? Is there a self-checkout? I would like a paper bag, please. I would like a paper bag, please. I would like a paper bag, please. I would like a plastic bag, please. I would like a plastic bag, please. I would like a plastic bag, please. Do you sell gift cards? Do you sell gift cards? Do you sell gift cards? Where is the meat section? Where is the meat section? Where is the meat section? I need some fruits and vegetables. I need some fruits and vegetables. I need some fruits and vegetables. Are these apples organic? Are these apples organic? Are these apples organic? I'm looking for frozen foods. I'm looking for frozen foods. I'm looking for frozen foods. Where can I find rice? Where can I find rice? Where can I find rice? I need a bottle of olive oil. I need a bottle of olive oil. I need a bottle of olive oil. Where's the bakery? Where's the bakery? Where's the bakery? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Is there a restroom here? Is there a restroom here? Is there a restroom here? Are there any special offers today? Are there any special offers today? Are there any special offers today? What time do you close? What time do you close? What time do you close? What time do you open? What time do you open? What time do you open? Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? Can I get a refund? I think this price is wrong. I think this price is wrong. I think this price is wrong. I would like to return this item. I would like to return this item. I would like to return this item. Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs? Do you sell fresh fish? Do you sell fresh fish? Do you sell fresh fish? I need some cheese. I need some cheese. I need some cheese. Where can I find cleaning products? Where can I find cleaning products? Where can I find cleaning products? I'm looking for laundry detergent. I'm looking for laundry detergent. I'm looking for laundry detergent. Do you have almond milk? Do you have almond milk? Do you have almond milk? I would like 2 kilos of bananas. I would like 2 kilos of bananas. I would like 2 kilos of bananas. How much are the strawberries? How much are the strawberries? How much are the strawberries? Are these on sale? Are these on sale? Are these on sale? Is there a loyalty program? Is there a loyalty program? Is there a loyalty program? Can I use my loyalty card? Can I use my loyalty card? Can I use my loyalty card? Thank you. Have a great day. Great job. Keep your discipline strong. Practice every day, and your English will get better and better. Don't forget to subscribe and come back tomorrow.